This is I Have Decided to Follow Jesus in the key of C. It's a really simple way to chord along to this song and worship our Heavenly Father. So make sure to stop the video. And if you click on the description below, you will find the printable chord sheet that I have prepared for you. It'll make a lot more sense as we follow along together. All right. So in this song, I have stripped it down to the basics. We just have C, F, G, A minor. Those 4 chords, that's it. So let's find a C note by looking for this group of 2 black notes. Line up your 5 fingers and play every other note. C, E, G is a C major chord, okay? Let's play F note by looking for this group of 3 black notes. Here is the F note. F, A, C. And move up 1 set of notes and you're in the G position. G, B, D. Okay, move up 1 set of notes and you're in the A minor position. A, C, E. Okay, so just those 4 chords. So let's review. We have C chord, F chord, G, A minor. All right, so left hand is going to be playing just single notes to keep it simple. We have C note when we play our C chord in our right hand, okay? F to F, G to G, A minor to A in the bass, okay? Pretty simple. Let's talk about the rhythm that's going to bring the 2 hands together. This song is written in 4/4 time signature, so it's a ratio I like to call 1-to-2 ratio, and it sounds like this. Together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right. All right, so this is how it sounds. Together, right, together, right, together, right, and so on. Okay, nice marching rhythm just to give you a foundation to play this song, and then you can add your own spin on it when you feel comfortable. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1, and then you can see how it sounds because the whole sound this whole song repeats itself, right? Once you learn verse 1, you know verse 2 and 3 because the chords are the same. Okay, so there's some patterns that we're going to talk about. So I'm going to sing it up. Here we go. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. Turning back. Okay, so let's talk about those patterns. Verse 1, well, this is the same for all 3. Lines 1 and 3 repeat themselves. C, G, A minor, F. Okay, lines 2 and 4 are different, but you're going to notice that pattern. So once you learn C, G, A minor, F, that's 1 and 3. For lines 1 and 3. Okay. All right. And that's the same, like I said, for verse 2 and 3. So that takes care of a lot of your song when you just notice like, oh, it's just repeating itself over and over 3 times. Okay. So you're noticing I also wrote the chord above the word or the syllable in which it changes. So that should help you a little bit. So we could start out with verse 1 again, just so we can slow it down. So we're starting out with C chord. I have decided G. To follow A minor, Jesus, F. I have and then we're going to keep going that F here. Decided to follow C, Jesus. I have decided G to follow A minor, Jesus, F. No turning. Here's the A minor, back, G, no turning, back to the C, back. Okay, you can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end. When you feel comfortable, play along with me. If you goof up, just keep going, find the next chord that you can hop in with me and do it. Play the right hand all by itself if you feel if you feel more confident to do that and it's just too hard to bring the 2 hands together, just play right hand only for a while until you get that down. All right. All right, here we go. You can do it. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. The world behind me, the cross before me. The world behind me, the cross before me. The world behind me, the cross before me. No turning back, no turning back. Though none go with me, still I will follow. Though none go with me, still I will follow. Though none go with me, still I will follow. No turning back, no turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, 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 no turning back. I've decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus.